guys, what's up? I just hope you guys are doing well. It's me Charchita. Welcome back to Mintra's YouTube channel. I'm here today with a Holi content. So it's going to be basically a get ready with me for Holi. So this video will include two parts, makeup and then styling. So if you guys also want some good pictures on Holi which you can post on our social media handles, and also if you want some outfit ideas, then you are at the right place. So without wasting a minute, let's get right into today's video. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe. Yeah, of course, subscribe to Mintra's YouTube channel. Let's get into it. Okay, so in case of outfits, मैंने select किया है this strappy white sharara set जो Myntra से है. And yeah, when it comes to a Holi outfit, it always comes something white in our brain because that's what we see on the films or in TV serials. And this outfit is literally one of my most favorite from my wardrobe. Especially just look at the sharara. This is also in off-white color, and just look at the flare, guys. This is like more than perfect, I would say. It costed me rupees 15.29. This is from the brand Kalini, and also you were getting elasticated things happening here, and also along with it you are getting this plain white dupatta, which is also really perfect. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna wear, and I just hope I get some nice pictures. Let's get ready now. Okay, so I have nothing on my face right now. I just have lipstick on my lips. So starting it with the primer, which is from the Derma Co. This is a 2% niacinamide pore minimizing primer. And after that, we'll be applying the foundation, which is from Mamaearth. My shade is 03 Nude Glow. So let's start. She playing cool now, but these my rules. Don't play it out. So shimmy out, shimmy yeah. We could unwind if you just let me shimmy out, shimmy yeah. Bump it and grind, let's go. I'm just applying like a concealer, as you can see, because we don't need a heavy makeup because this is not a wedding, this is just Holi. And then we will blend it with this beauty blender, which is from Prosh. Formerly it was known as Plume. So yeah. And for setting it, I'm using this Mars setting powder and this cute little Pija puff. So the next part is going to be for eye, and which will change the game because I love to do eyes. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes with this curler, which is from Vega. Focus. So now mascara, which is Maybelline Sky High. So basically I'm going to skip eyeshadow today because we just did a minimal makeup for Holi. But I cannot skip the white eyeliner. This is from Maybelline. So yeah, just enhances my eyes so well. Wow, now just see the difference. I seriously love my eyes this way. And next, the eyeliner. I'll be applying this legendary Lakme Insta liner. I have so many more, but I love this one. So let's make little wings. So now I'm just gonna do the lower outer corner using this Nika K eye palette. I'm gonna take the brown shade and then let's proceed. So we are left with blush and lipstick, and this is the blush from Sugar. The shade is 05 Coral Climax. I just love the pigmentation of Sugar blush. So yeah, just look at the pigmentation, guys. I don't know why, but for some reasons I just love to apply blush like Insta filter. So I do it always. Okay, lastly, in case of lipstick, the one I have already on my lips is this one, the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte. The shade is 21 Nude Nuance, but I'm gonna apply this one over it, which is from Keto Beauty. The shade is Nutmeg Nude. I really love this shade, you know. Like, this is also a nude shade, but it's a bit pigmented. You'll get to see once it gets dried. Okay, so I'm almost done, but it's weird. I want to feel like applying lip liner now. Let's apply. Yes, now I feel it's completed. So lastly, we will apply highlighter, and that will complete our look. And this highlighter is from Wet n Wild. I love to apply with my fingertips. Okay, last. Okay, so we are done, guys. Transition. Ta-da! Okay, so this is going to be my today's look. In case of earrings, I have put on them, and just a watch on my hand, and then a bindi I would prefer. And yes, I'm ready, so let's now go and let's see the full look. And also, after watching the full look, let me know in the comment down below you guys loved it or not. And yeah, I just wish you guys a happy Holi in advance. Let's go, let's see the full look. So that's it for today, guys. I will see you guys in another video with another content. So till then, you guys take care, stay happy, stay healthy, and much love from Charchita. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends or family members, subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel. See you guys in another video another day. Bye, guys.
Shop now from Myntra Forward.